Is it tasty butter, Merlin?
Yeah. Get more butter on my bread.
No, you have to eat the bread. You'll get a grilled cheese afterwards. But if you eat all the butter first, then you have to eat the bread without butter. Mean, horrible mama.
Get more butter on my bread. More butter on my bread.
You ate it all, sweetie.
Yeah.
And then you have a grilled cheese coming.
I want on my bread. No! I want it.
You have to eat your bread. Show the camera how you can eat your bread.
Well, I don't have some butter on it.
Oh, just put the whole thing in. Chew, chew, chew.
I like butter. I need a butter. There's something cheese in there.
For your lunch.